Hey, happy Saturday morning, my friends. How are you? So, I'm working on the Tamiya Panzer 2. Do you want to have a quick look at this? So this is a Rico. I put some jerry cans on. So I've got to do some oil washes and shit on those. They've just got some very mild chipping on them, which I'll rust up a little bit. And I put one just there as well. So I used the Tamiya ones, the early war version ones. I found a little packet in my, where did I put them? I don't know. There they are. Yeah, I found these in my old Border Panzer 4-pack. So I do believe I bought them at some point. But yeah, they've just got heaps of Tamiya older version ones. You can tell the older version ones have got the straight cross, allegedly. That's what they tell me. The newer ones, the later war ones, have got the more complicated sort of cuts. But it looks good, doesn't it? She's starting to look cool. I'm very impressed with the Tamiya Panzer 2. So I'm just very slowly, it's a recondition, so it's one I built a long time ago, because I don't really build Tamiya kits anymore. Just a slow process, because there's not much I can do, because I absolutely, when I first did it, I covered the bottom in mud. So, I don't know, I might just have to put him in a little bit of a mud pile or something. But more is better. Less is more when it comes to weathering. I found, just chill out. It's not a matter of just completely covering the thing in oils and shit and then just, yeah, it's an art form. Take your time. There's no rush. I'm also redoing the Academy Panzer 3, the J version. So I'm just starting to put some khaki camouflage on it. So I've stripped all the paint back, so it was very thick. I did this horrible chipping sort of method with acrylics. So I recovered it with a lacquer, and it's a German brown lacquer, giving that a little bit of modulation. And now just putting on some Tamiya, just normal acrylic khaki as the camouflage. And I'm just doing that by getting blue tack and just rolling it into, sort of sausages, and then I just make the pattern with the sausages and paint it on. I'll do the turret next, and then we'll start to try and get some a variation in the camouflage. Try and make that a bit more interesting. And I'm gonna put a kit on this that I've got, a master box kit. It's in my collection over here somewhere. Yeah, this one. So yeah, it's getting built up for this kit, the Rommel and German tank crew. It's an older master box one, and I've been keen to do it. It's got a lot of figures in it, and they do look pretty good. The Rommel was a bit, yeah, but it's not important. I do like all these figures. And I've never painted Africa Corps figures before, so it'll be a good challenge. Alright, well, keep going with my Saturday, because that's what I do. Try and recover, and you best recover by doing some very relaxing modelling. Alright, my friends, I will speak to you again soon.